Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about some of the very important DAX function, which is data analysis expression in Power BI. So how we will do that? So we will learn them step by step. First of all is your calculate. So what is calculate function? So first of all, calculate is basically filtering or condition to your calculation. It allows you to apply filter or condition to your calculation. So like suppose we have a data here, like if you will check this data, and now we have a regions and sales. If we will go there, we have a regions and sales here, like we have a region and we also have a sales. So if we want to know the region wise total sales, what is our west region wise total sales, how we will calculate. So to do that, what we will do, we will create a new measure here, and here I will write total sales by region, which is west. I will put west, then I will put equal to, then I will put calculate, and after that I will put sum, and here I will put superstore, which is our region. So I have to take superstore sales first of all, I will say, because we have to add the sales. Then I will close this, and then I will put superstore region, and here we need to put the region where we want to see the sales, equal to west, and just close this expression. And now we will go to our report, make a card here, and in this card we will put our data, our measure which we have created, total sales by region. Now we can see total sales by region west here. So west region sale, and we can give any name if you want to give west region sales. So we can give name like this. So this is our calculate function, and what we can do, we can give multiple conditions also. Like this time we have given only region, but if we want to give a category also, like region and category, that we can also do. Like I will go over this and copy this and create a new measure, and give some name here like sales by west region, and we also have a category here, so we have to check which category do we have. I will just go there and check, and then we will put a category also there. Like we have region, we have taken categories are like your office supplies, and your, if you will click over this, we have furniture. So west region furniture sales we want to know, so we have two condition here. So how we can do that? For that I will go to this again, and furniture, west and furniture I will write, so that we can know the name. total sales West furniture, what is that? For that we have to give the multiple condition. First one we have already given, and the next one is like I will again type superstore, okay. Then I will put open this, and then again I will type superstore, and this time category I will take furniture, and just close this. Now we will go to a report. So this is for total source by region West, and the next one, next card we can make, we will put outside, take another card, and here we will take total sales West region and furniture, so we can filter that also. This is the way we can use the calculate. Next is your if function. So how we can use the if function? Suppose like we have a certain sales and we want to sum only those certain sales. Like if we go here and we have a sales here, and we want to add only those sales which are more than your we want to give some answer, like we have a sales here, and if we want to know our best sales, like if we will say our best sales is which is higher than 1000, like we have a different sales here. If you will see our sales, so we have different sales here, and it will go 14, 15,000, 11, 12, 9. So we have a different sales here. It will start from 22,000, 10,000, whatever. We will say like our best sales is more than 10,000, then then 1,000 is high, and if it's less than 1,000 it's low. So how we can go that? For that I will go to this table, then I will add new column here. I will the top sales, I will give name top sales equal to if, then I will put sum here, superstore sales here, and I will say is greater than 1,000, say it's high, else say it low. So we have two type of sales, one is high, another one is low, and then we will see a column here, but it's showing some error. So why it's giving error, we have to check it out because we haven't closed it here. So I will close it here also, then I will run it. Still showing problem because we haven't put double quote here. Then I will just click over here. So now we have high and low sales. If we have sales more than 1,000, then it will give us high sales. If it less than 1,000, it will give us low sales. So this is the way we can find out about top sales. And next what we will do, I will go to our report here again, and the next one is your sum x. So what is sum x basically? We will put here sum x. So now friends, we will understand about sum x function. So what is sum function? So sum x function is similar to your sum product function that we will use in your Excel. What I have do here is, like I have a sheet here. If you will go to this sheet and see the data, so what we have product, price and unit. If you want to know about the sales, we have to add a new column. and then we can do a calculate function, then we can find out the total sales. But here the process is like we can do it with sum x function without adding a column, just with a measure. So I will click on new measure, then I will say total sales equal to, then I will use sum x, then I will open this, and after opening this I will put the name of our sheet, which is sheet 1. Then I will click over this sheet 1, then comma, then I again type sheet, and from here I will take price, then I will multiply it this sheet unit, so we have multiply unit with price, and then I will close this and enter. So we have a new measure here with total sales, and when this measure will be created, we will go to our card, we'll take some card from here and put this total sales here. So now we can find out the total sales from here. So this is the way we can use the sum x function here. So now friends, we will learn about switch function. What is switch function? So switch function is similar to your nested if, like how we will create a nested if function in your Excel. So similarly we can use this in switch function in your Power BI DAX. Now how we can create it? So first of all we will go to our table, and here I will create a new column. I will just type new column here, and after clicking on new column I will give it a name like sales category equal to, and then I will type here some formula, like if I will say if sales is more than 1000 is high, otherwise 500 is medium, and low is your low sales. Like 3 conditions are there. So how I will put, I will write the formula switch here, then I will type true, so expressions need to be true, then I will start my formula. So first of all is sales superstore sales, so I will select here sales, and I will say if it's greater than 1000 it is high, then again superstore sales is greater than 500 it's medium, we have to write here medium, and the last one is your low. I will go there, and the last one is your low sales, then I will close this. So we have taken a 3 condition here. If greater than 1000 is high, so switch function will help us for multiple conditions here. So what first of one is high, second one is your low, and last one is lowest. So then I will click over this. Now see whether we will create it or not. So we have a new sales category with high and low sales. So we have a tree. If you will click over this, we have low, medium. So this one we have to remove, we don't need this, so I will delete this. Yes. Now we can see our category wise sales, high, low, medium, and we are using here our switch function to make this sales. So next function is our count function. So how we can use the count function? Like suppose we have customer ID here. From this customer ID we can count the number of customer. So for that we will use count function. So what I will do, I will create a new measure, and after clicking on new measure I will give it a name number of customer, then I will put count, bracket open, and from here I will take customer ID and just click. And now after this I will create on this card, and from here I will take number of customers, so it will count number of customers from the list. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much.